Hey, my name's Spencer Howe. I'm at Massachusetts General Hospital and I'm on MRI 3 at the Yawkey Center. This is a Siemens MRI audio system and uses the Siemens headphones that plug into the patient table. To use the system, well, first let me start by saying the system comes with 2 technologist speakers, an iPad with a mounting lock, and a digital amplifier. The digital amplifier plugs directly into the Siemens intercom. To use the system, make sure that the amplifier is powered on. The blue light does shine when the amplifier is powered off, so you want to make sure that the button is pushed in. The iPad acts as the music source. Select one of the music streaming applications such as Pandora, Spotify, iHeartRadio, or TuneIn Radio. My favorite is Pandora because it streams music of a specific genre or musician. Pick a station you want to listen to, and it will save your history, so if you have patients that like classical or country, you can pick one of those stations. And it'll play music from that genre. Make sure that the music volume is turned up on the iPad and that the music volume is turned up on the patient headphones on the screen on the left-hand side of the MRI, the video display on the left-hand side of the MRI. To use the system, to communicate with the patient, push the talk button and you can tell the patient to do breath holds, tell them how long is left for the scan, or relay any information or check up on them. At the end of the day, hit the power button to turn the system off, and when you get to work the next day, just turn it on. It's a press play system and it's easy to use. I'll include my contact information at the end of this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy it.